Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's security tip, you need to remove these programs from your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Manufacturers just love to load your devices with a bunch of garbageware or bloatware. You see, they make a lot of money on this. So the first thing you want to do is when you get a new device, you want to go ahead and you want to clean up all those programs. So you're going to go to, depending on the device, to where your programs are listed and add remove programs for Windows-based machines. And then look through the program list and find programs that you're not going to use. These could consist of primarily online games, and there could be other bloatware too. Manufacturer support software, for instance, is another one. If you're not sure, what you need to do is search on the internet and see what these programs are for. A lot of times you'll find other people having the same issues, and you'll see a bunch of people saying what these programs are for. Then you'll know whether to delete them or not. Now, if you're not sure whether to delete it or not, please just make sure you leave them, or contact your IT company, because if you delete drivers, you could end up in other problems. Now, just to know, the reason you want to get rid of these programs is because they suck up processing power, and they also allow you to be tracked on the internet. You may have noticed that if you go to a shopping site and then you go somewhere else, all of a sudden all these ads are starting to follow you around, and everywhere you go, you're getting these ads. The reason for that is because these programs track you, and it's very easy to be tracked now on the internet. So if you like this tip, please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendations for social gathering. Stay safe out there.